Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I am here with the Saptami look and this is what I have come up with. Absolutely love the way this turned out. Really liking this rust color suit. It has a little embroidery on both the sides. Can't show you this side, but yeah, really like how this looks. It's a very wearable kind of makeup look. If you don't want to go for the pop of blue, you can just go for the brown color which I have applied as my transition shade. And if you want to go for any other shades of color like except the blue, you can go for green, pink, purple, whatever you want. You can just go for it and I'm sure it's going to turn out pretty well. So this was my Saptami look. Going to keep it very simple. I'll be wearing this kurta and even a pencil pant. Not going to take a dupatta because I think, you know, taking a dupatta, it will hide this work. I really don't want to take a dupatta, but this is going to look very pretty. I'm sure I'm going to post the pictures on Instagram, so you can just have a look on Instagram. And by the way, don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box. It's even flashing right here, so you can just go and subscribe to my channel as well. And don't forget to even hit the bell button so you know you'll be notified whenever I come up with a new video. And so without wasting much time, please get into this video. Firstly guys, my fan is on, feeling extremely hot wearing this high neck dress, so please bear with me if you hear the noise. And now first we'll start by priming our face, and for that I'm taking Sugar Base of Beauty. This is the pore minimizing primer. I'm going to apply this on the areas I have little pores. Now for my foundation, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. First I'm going to dot this all over my face and then blend it out with a Damn Beauty sponge. And now for my concealer, I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer. This is in the shade 12 and this is the waterproof concealer. And I'll be applying this on the usual areas I normally highlight and conceal. Now again I'm going to blend this out with the same damp sponge. And this has become my recent obsession. I can't just put my hands down when it comes to the sugar concealer. Love it and highly recommend to everybody. Now I'm going to set my face, and for that I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and I'm in the shade 15 Light. I'll bake the under eyes for a while and then dust off the excess. Now to fill in my brows, I'm taking Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. And I'm going to do this off the camera, so I'm just going and there I'm back. And I just feel like finishing off my base first. I mean contouring, blush and highlighter. And for that I'm taking this Sugar palette. This is the Contour the Post palette 01 Subtle Summit. Taking the contour shade right here and I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face. Now for my blusher, I'm taking this peachy sort of a color from the same palette. And now for my highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is the 100 Molten Gold and you guys know how much I love this one. I did this eye, now I'm going to do this one. And first I'm going with the Sugar Blend the Rules palette and I'll be taking this shade right here, Cream, and I'm going to apply this on the crease area as my transitional shade. And next I'll be going with this shade right here, Maybelline City Mini palette, and this is the 5th Avenue Sunset. Again taking this on the outer V and even lightly on the crease. Next, again from the sugar palette, I am taking this rust color and I'll be applying this with my finger only on the inner third of my eyes, and this is the exact shade matches to my outfit. Just taking this shimmer shadow, I'll be applying this on the inner corners of my eyes and even on the eyebrow bone. Now I'll be tide lining and waterlining with this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And next, from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, I'm using this green and even the blue mixed together. Now to smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to use both the transitional brown shade I have used. First I'm using the shade Cream and then again the brick brown shade from Stedy palette. Now for the wing liner, I'm going to use the felt tip liner. This is the Arrest for Overstay Waterproof Eyeliner 01 I'll be black, and I'm going to draw a nice wing with this. And now for my mascara, I'm going with the Colossal Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to apply this on the top and even the bottom lashes, not going for any falsies, so I'm going generous amount of this. Now for my lipstick, I'm taking Nykaa Matte to Lust liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade 05 Madras Cafe. So guys, that's it for this video. Absolutely love how the makeup turned out. Like my lipstick, my eye look, everything matches so beautifully. It looks really nice with the suit. Wish you all a very happy Durga Puja in advance. Don't forget to follow me on my social media for all the behind the scenes, like what I'll be doing for my Durga Puja, and even subscribe to my channel please. This is going to cost you nothing, but it's going to make my day awesome. Till then, take care, stay safe, love you all. Mwah. Bye.